Hello, friends and businessmen mainly. You have recently seen my advertisement on Facebook, and definitely you want to know what do I offer. So my offer is very simple. I take care of the established businesses and help them scale up. Now, how do I help them scale up? There are various types of online advertisement, but yes, there are many people for that. Many people do it. You need a strategy, you need contacts, you need a proper vision, and basically I don't believe in any government as such. If you think that the government is going to help us, it's not going to happen. So why don't you have your some of your assets abroad? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So how would you do it? I'll guide you. How can you buy a property abroad? How can you have a company abroad? How can you have a technology unit which will supply you technology so that fund, you can transfer funds over there for that for that technology and have your money safe. Mm, how to really access cheap international capital, even if you are a small company. All these things I take care of. I have excellent contacts, knowledge, information, and experience in this matter, so that I can help you out. Now you may think my business is not that big, or you need to have a business. If you are starting a business, then it's a different story. But if you have an existing business, then it becomes really easy. And the easiest way is to acquire a company abroad. And there are many companies overseas. When I say overseas, I talk about big six. Which are big six countries? One is US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Israel. These are the big six countries which speak English, and that is the main target of India. Because if you try to target Europe, then it becomes difficult because of the language barrier. But nevertheless, Europe is also a good part for company acquisition. There are many companies which are available. Now, just to take an example of a big company like, say, Microsoft. Now, Microsoft wants to develop a new technology, or any big company wants to develop a new technology. They form a small company, they develop that technology, and that company is dormant, that company is available. Every year they maintain the contacts, every day they maintain the files and everything. Now such companies are available for takeover, and these big corporations are very much willing to give those companies away, provided you know the right contact and the real value. How do you approach them? So there are many methods through which you can acquire existing companies. Now if you acquire a 10-year-old company which might be dormant in some big corporates stable, so you can definitely take it public in a very short span and say it's a 10-year-old company with established businesses, blah blah blah, and it gives you a standing. So nobody is going to look at you whether you are an Indian company or an Indian businessman, but they will say, oh, an American company is looking for money on stock exchange, and you get funded. Apart from that, there are other ways of acquiring capital. $2.64 trillion capital is available in mergers and acquisitions. That capital is available. Nobody is touching that, because all the time we think that अरे भाई merger और acquisition ये तो बड़े लोगों का काम है. Mergers and acquisition is for big people. It's not. Even a small person with an experience or less turnover with good experience can plead his case and tell people that yes, he is the right person to take over that company, and you can get that. Apart from that, बहुत से ऐसे कंपनीज है जहाँ पे ओनर रिटायर होने वाला है, वो बोलता है he doesn't want to continue. There are many companies where the owner says, I am done, I am old, my kids are not interested in this business, I want to sell it off. So there are many businesses. And now again you may say, boss, abhi to COVID hai, how can you do in COVID? So again there is an answer, that we will choose, or we will develop a system in such a way that you might be in India, Thailand, Vietnam, any part of the world. you can still run the business because you are an owner. You don't have to be there. We will see that we choose that kind of business, or we will try to match it. Nevertheless, there will be local people available for running the company. So capital, company, these are the things that are available, and we are simply ignoring. We are not taking care of it. We are not simply putting our best foot forward. तो मुझे लगता है कि हमने इस लाइन में काम करना चाहिए. प्लीज़ contact me if you have an existing profit making business and you wish to expand, and I will be there. Thank you very much. Below the video you will see a link. Click on that, complete the questions, and then I'll call you back. Thank you very much.